Hi everyone! I wanted to share with you some quick and easy beverage recipes over the next few weeks that are perfect for entertaining. Fall is quickly approaching, which is definitely my favorite season because we do a lot of entertaining outside, and during the fall season the temperatures are actually starting to become bearable. So on a normal day-to-day basis, we always keep bottled water, tea, some type of juice or lemonade for whoever wants to stop by. But when we're hosting, we also like to have a signature beverage for everyone to enjoy. So let's go ahead and get started. So the first beverage we're going to make today is our Very Berry Splash. And the reason why I call it that is because you can put strawberries, blueberries, raspberries, whatever type of berries, kind of splash it in. And this is perfect because football season has started, and I have some super cute football glasses that I got from the Dollar Tree that I will show you here in just a minute once we get everything made up. But this beverage recipe has very few ingredients, and so what we're using today is I just have a few of the frozen blueberries, which we're going to splash in our glasses. I have a packet of cherry Kool-Aid mix, we have white cranberry juice here. We're going to use about 6 cups of that. Now, I have 1/4 cup of sugar, but let me just say this. It just totally depends on how sweet you like it. You don't have to add sugar. You can start off with like 1/4 cup of sugar, and if that's not sweet enough for you, you can put a little bit more in there. So just make it your own. It's totally up to you. And I have my measuring cup just to measure out the juice. And what we're going to do today is we're just going to go ahead and make this in our beverage dispenser that we are serving, and so that way we can just put it in here, mix it up, and then the guests can definitely enjoy. So let's go ahead and we'll get started with mixing our ingredients. Okay, so what I have here is a 4-cup measuring cup, and we're going to use about 6 cups today. So I'm going to go ahead and fill this up to the 4-cup line, and then put my other 2 cups in here, and so that will be the base of our juice. Okay, so this is 4 cups here. We're going to go ahead and pour this in our dispenser, so that way we'll just be ready to serve. And we'll add like an additional 2 cups here. We have a little bit left, and I'll just put this to the side. Okay, now I am just doing this for demonstration purposes, but definitely when we're having guests over, I would definitely double or even triple this recipe just to make sure that it's full and to make sure that we have enough. So if you have to double it or triple it, you just double or triple the ingredients with the juice, with the mix here, and then with your fruits. And if you want to, you could probably add strawberries and blueberries and raspberries, just all of it. So it's totally up to you, but I just wanted to show you the base of the ingredients. And so we're going to add our cherry mix here, and I'm just going to go ahead and give this a good stir. And what I'll do right now is I want to go ahead and test it for the sweetness before I add the sugar. So I did a quick taste test, and it is really good. I hope you guys try out this recipe. Now I am going to put the 1/4 cup sugar in there because it's just a little bit tart, and by adding this 1/4 cup sugar, it'll kind of cut the tartness down. So all we literally have to do now is add the 1/4 cup of sugar, put the blueberries in, and stir it. And like I said, depending on what dispenser or what container you're serving it in, you may need to double or triple the recipe, but it is just that simple, just that easy, and just that quick. So let's go ahead. We're going to add our sugar. We're going to splash our blueberries in there, and now I'll also show you the cute football glasses that we got from the Dollar Tree. So here are the football glasses that I picked up from the Dollar Tree, and they're shaped like a football, and I thought that that was very super cute and definitely fit for the occasion if you are entertaining and serving your guests this beverage during a football game. And this recipe is great not only for a football game, but any time, and it's great for all ages. And so I had these football straws that I picked up last year that I thought would go cute, and also I had these football beverage napkins that I thought would definitely fit the occasion, because to me presentation is key. You eat and drink with your eyes before you actually touch anything. So let's go ahead and get these poured up, and we will show you the final results. And I hope that you make this recipe. It's only a few ingredients. It's super quick, super easy, and it definitely tastes good and refreshing. At this point, you could just go ahead and place the whole beverage container in the refrigerator and let it chill. And once your guests arrive, they can definitely get them a beverage and enjoy the game. So let me show you the final results. So here is a quick setup here. I think these straws are super cute and definitely add a special touch. And so I'll leave a link in the description box below, because we do carry these straws in our shop. So if you want to just add that special touch while you're entertaining, these would definitely be it. Definitely fit for the occasion. We have our beverage napkins here, so you can just pick up a glass and also just pick up a napkin and enjoy the game. And depending on what type of party that you're having, just serve a few appetizers, and this can be your signature drink, and you are definitely good to go. As always, thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope you share this video with your family and your friends so that they can try this out also. And let me know in the comments below if you do try it and how did you like it. And if you're not a subscriber, we would love to have you as a subscriber, and make sure you tap the bell so that you can receive notification of all videos that we upload. And again, thanks so much, and until the next video, bye bye.